Start. Yeah. So, Namaskaram. Today we are here to celebrate Akshita's birthday. Incidentally, ICA results also came on the same day as what she feels. So, now, yes, she has a reason to celebrate her birthday because she has successfully cleared her Group 1. And only after she cleared Group 1, her friends sent this cake. So, she has only transactional friends. So, quickly, what's your feeling at the moment?
Best gift I ever received till
Okay.
date.
Best gift by ICA.
Bye I say, yeah,
Okay.
for sure.
ICA becomes the best one. Now,
Yeah.
role of HLS in making this happen. What significantly changed?
When I came first, the last score was 130,
Hmm.
and now it's 165.
Hmm.
I think 35.
What happened is clear.
Yeah,
Please. Hmm.
with help of mentors.
Specifically, see, the reason for asking this question is they need to know this is the single most reason. You have to identify this is one reason which made the difference between 130 and 165.
Techniques, like all HLS techniques.
Name one thing which has one thing. What is significantly critical success factor?
Two chapter.
Go ahead.
For MCQs, elimination method.
Elimination method for MCQs.
And for that 1 hour strategy for exam,
Exam strategy
that
and MCQs.
yeah,
Okay, clear.
those two work
Okay,
for me.
got it.
Yeah.
So, round of applause for clearing.
So,
Fair enough. Now, similar question. So, congratulations for winning.
Thank
You played with the edge.
Yes.
Bleeding edge. So, from your side, because you are the one who created a Tamil gang within HLS with that one video.
Yes.
Now, yes, from there to here, how was your experience and what is that single most factor which helped you clear?
I was that one guy who can either fall that side or this side, and I'm still on that line. So that really helped out for me because of mentors. Like, I'll tell who specifically. It was Ravali ma'am. Like, she guided me through FR because FR was my weakest paper, and she guided me like really well. Last luck factor. She's my biggest luck factor, and when it comes to the solid foundation, it's Pushpa ma'am. Like our firebrand, like always. She's the best in audit, and they really pushed me to get 150 exactly. And they were my confidence, everything, because my health was taken a hit, and I think HLS gave me a complete development. Like, where I could have easily failed, but right now I'm standing here because it's because of them and it's because of you, sir. So thank you.
Perfect. Round of applause for them. Akil bhai.
thank you,
Okay.
thank you, Ravali, Pushpa.
It's very artificial.
No, it is not art.
Because they're looking at her.
ఎందుకు ఇవ్వక ఆన్సర్ మీరు ఇట్లా చేస్తారు థ్యాంక్స్ రవలి థ్యాంక్స్ పుష్ప అండ్ ఆల్సో అపూర్వ అండ్ ఫర్ స్పెషల్ స్టాండర్డ్స్ ఐ వాంట్ టు థ్యాంక్ హర్ష అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్ మైత్రేయ సార్ ఆల్సో.
It's like your movie party. Yeah, got it. Akif. Yes. So, congratulations, Akif. Thank you. So, the critical success factor which made the difference to help you clear Group 1.
I was a guy who was very poor in time management, and especially before exam, you insisted me to write as much as I could, and then you gave me the strategy of 4 to 5. I have to dedicate 3 to 4 1 hour. I have to dedicate purely to MCQ. No, I was like very scared. In that first 1 hour, it went bad for me. I was not able to achieve 28 mark. Still, I dropped my pen. I took the MCQ paper. I did that. That was a very game-changing factor which helped me. And then regardless of the questions how it was, I went through answering the questions which I only know. I wrote perfectly all the questions which I know. Which especially like Pushpa ma'am helped me to prepare and tell me the what exactly mistake I'm doing in writing the answer. I avoided all those mistakes and I wrote the exact answer. Then I went to the MCQ. Then third hour was like my usual way. My time management was like, drastically poor, but these techniques were the thing which helped me to clear from being from that side to coming to this side now.
Fair. So basically, to conclude, round of applause for him again. So we'll do a very detailed case study with each and every one of them. But right now, to summarize, exam strategy, 3-hour exam strategy, more than the 3 months or 3 years behind. 3-hour exam strategy is extremely important, and within that 3 hours, the MCQR is very important. Okay, that is what you have to remember. And I want the camera guy to make it a bit, the angle's a bit exciting. It's like whoever is speaking, it is only like this flat. So yeah, now we covered all three. Now moving to Kirti. Yeah.
Thank you so much. First, thanks to Pushpa. Next, everyone.
Except everybody gave credit.
Next, Ravali, Harshini, Harsha, and Pooja, Apurva, you. That was
All these people are needed for group.
no, no. Group two, Hari sir, back Vishwesh, we need. So, so that was my solid. Next, Binish, my only study buddy.
She's next to you.
No, no. Like we two studied separately, and only we two managed everything. It was very good. Last time when I stopped at 147, also I was very happy that I could score A from exemption. This time it's done. Next time I'm a CA Kirti. That's for sure.
Yes, the Queen Bee.
Queen. Next, thanks to my parents also.
Of course, yeah. Alright, so okay, I've told this many times, but I am very happy that I've cleared, and I would like to thank everybody here.
Nice.
Um I mean, I cannot just individually thank, but yes, everybody has helped me get to where I have come, and in whatever way they have helped me, it has benefited. Special thanks to you, to Ravi sir, to all the mentors, and of course Kirti. She has been there as my study buddy for the entire attempt, and yes, everything just worked out well in the end.
In terms of the technique, like they have mentioned something specific exam strategy, what is that one specific thing which was extremely crucial?
Recalling with Kirti. That
Recalling with key. New
yes,
technique. RW. Recalling with key. Okay.
yes, study buddy, but more than that, recalling with a study buddy.
It's
Yes,
a new technique now.
so that worked for me.
Perfect. Round of applause for officially. This is and we have spotted her to be a very good mentor in the very beginning, because people who are literally complicated as a student make very good mentors. So you have an open offer to come and join HLS in front of your parents. We're offering this. We'll talk more about it. But your base level is sorted. It's like a government job. It is sorted. Whatever number you have on your mind, it will be met. Okay. Your job, you're settled. The second part is also done. First equation, second equation is also done. Okay. Good. Sir, from your side, yes. So finally,
Sir, I feel there were many improvements. Like I have been observing her very closely. I don't know whether you are aware of that or not. First thing is that strategizing part of it, how to attempt all questions. That is one thing, and that the reproducing the things which you have studied in a more technical way. That is another thing. And third most important thing, which I feel is somewhat incredible also, the way you helped her in getting good marks in MCQs. Getting 30 out of 30, I did not really ever thought. In one of the subjects, I think it was AFM, and then in FR, I think the marks have not come, but what I understand, she is somewhere like 26 out of 30. And in audit, again, 22 kind of, that is something unbelievable. So your support in achieving her to that level in MCQ, at times, in fact, I used to feel okay, whether in descriptive part she's doing equally good or not. But ultimately, it has emerged that the descriptive also went very well. But then that thing of scoring great marks in MCQs that she could develop here, that was absolutely wonderful. And the continuous monitoring, mentoring, those all things were wonderful.
finally from the
Thanks a
expert-
lot.
Yes, thank you very much. And I'll also have to tell you, unless the parent support from the beginning, it is not possible. And they are one of the very professional parents who were always supporting her. So, round of applause for the parents. So, coming from the investment perspective, a lot of parents hesitate. So, how was the decision in your mind when you have to look at that?
So you're talking about the fees and all?
Yes.
Acha. I feel like many things we realize, many things we don't realize. Each month is important. Each attempt is very important. In my opinion, each day is important. That way, in fact, in November we were sitting all four of us of the family somewhere, and we thought, "Okay, paisa is not material. If somebody can really guide and help her in doing this, paisa is not really material because if anybody clears it one attempt ahead, it is more than compensated. It is more than,
4 to 5 months are saved.
Yes.
and that is that way. It is absolutely fine.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Ma'am, your question.
Sir has spoken.
There's one
Take the words.
one change which you saw in Venus, which is beyond its academics or something.
जैसे हॉस्टल में रहने की लाइफ वो भी एक बहुत
हाँ,
important
हाँ. See, before joining HLS, she has never stayed in a hostel. So here, the hostel part of the life also taught her many things, many things. So adjusting with the other roommates, with the people who are studying together. So all those things also brought some kind of discipline, some kind of regular things. You have to get up at 6, rather 5:30, and be in the class at 6, and all are there. So this is also many times not possible at home. अच्छा 6 है ना, okay, 6:30 का alarm लगा करके again I will sleep. But here it was something like full group is going. Full group is joining at 6, so I also have to be there. So those things are also very important. जिसको somehow I feel a person who gets problems in life will always learn from those problems. तो थोड़े मेहनत से हम बहुत कुछ we learn from those small things in life. So that way also I feel it is important that all the group has stayed together and prepared together, supported each other. Thank you.
One specific thing, I always keep saying CA is a family course, and this is the kind of family which thoroughly deserves this qualification. And round of applause for them once again. Complete support doing together. And one important thing about Binish, the way she handled her last attempt, I'm extremely proud of her. Not about the result per se. She was having challenges at home. She was helping people here. She had to manage her own self. It was not easy. So that way, beyond the qualification, she has evolved as a person. So that is one big change. I think she grew 10 years in just 1 year. That is exactly the kind of change. So that for that, yes, a round of applause for Binish for what has happened. So yes, let's proceed to the much awaited event. Thank you. Yeah, go ahead, get started, sir. Please go closer. I think all of you should go to the other side. Go to the other side.